Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Hey y'all, so this is my morning face. I'm packing up for my trip. Last minute, my face at 4 and it's 12 o'clock. I packed up, but I just have to like adjust everything. So I'm about to show y'all. Y'all see this? It's like I'm taking the whole closet with me. But I have to go buy deodorant, gum, and lotion because I just ran out of lotion. So should I bring my belt? I'm probably not gonna wake out. Probably not. I don't know. But so much shit, bro. Like, I'm nervous because it's my first time flying by myself. So my voice is deep. Where's my glasses? In the car. There's so much stuff that's in the car. I'm going to Arizona, but I don't know why I got one of these pits. I got my nails done yesterday. It's gonna be a TikTok plan, but finally got them done. Okay. Everything should fit in this suitcase. This is a Leah Jazz. I can't wait to wear it. I mean, I'm like, I don't gotta bring like soap because my cousin got that. I don't gotta bring a toothpaste. My cousin got that. My hair, I don't need anything for my hair because all I gotta do is wet it. I don't think I need pajamas because my cousin got that. But I don't know if I should bring this. I did a summer haul, so if you wanna see what I'm bringing on a trip, it's in the summer haul. So I'm gonna try to pack the whole closet. Like, this is crazy. I feel like I'm missing something. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Bag in here. Should I bring it? My cousin got a bag, right? I got this from Forever 21 2 years ago. I got this on my J. Cole concert. I got another bag over here too. This is all though. Oh, look cute. Okay. my favorite heels, as you can tell. I wore these from my J. Cole concert too. You just wrap everything up. That's what I do. Just wrap it up. What's my clothes? This is mine though, actually. I'm gonna take it over. Alright, this is gonna be hot. Like hot. I don't know why I got some black stuff in here. It's just gonna be hot. That's what I want. What's this? Oh, okay. I forgot about this. I don't think I'm gonna wear it. I don't think I'm gonna wear it. I got these, but I don't know if I'm not bringing them. I'm not gonna bring them. I'm looking for my MacBook cover and I don't see it. I had a whole MacBook cover. I'm gonna take this. So that my charger for the comfort in there. What I'm gonna do. Cause the pink cover I have, this cover that I have, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do that. Let's see something. Look at that. So my iPad, I put in my bag, like it's gonna be in my roll bag. So I don't gotta worry about that. lashes. Hold up my hair still. I don't need much. Where's the top shit? It's somewhere. Alright, y'all, that's about it. I think I'm just gonna get another suitcase. Cause I feel like this is too small. What's that? Like, and my cousin got clothes, and we all be wearing the same clothes, so you know. But and then I'm gonna let y'all know when I get to the airport. And deuces. I was so lost and confused because I had no time. Like, I have a whole hour now. My dad drives fast. It took him like 45 minutes to get here, but I was so confused. Thank God I paid for my bag already. I paid for my bag early, and the line is short, so all I had to do was just turn in my bag, go up, take all of my stuff out, and now I'm about to go find my flight. Like, this is so ghetto. Like, I have never done this by myself. I'm always doing it with my parents, and my parents be doing it for me. So, oh child, I'm looking crazy out here. I can't even see. Like, y'all see me? I can't even see. But alright, I'm about to find my flight, and then when I board it, I'm gonna let y'all know. Oh my God, I'm really looking crazy, y'all. Oh child. It's been a while since I've been on the plane. Alright, y'all, so I just landed. I'm looking for my gate. I'm gonna keep it short and brief because my game about to be on. Okay, we're gonna take this home tonight. So I'm just gonna look for my gate real quick. I gotta call my cousin, and then yeah, I'm so excited. I'm very, very excited. Like,
told y'all I was getting my ring. I've been told y'all. Didn't I tell y'all? I've been told y'all I was getting my ring.
We'll just bring it up.
Where my cousins at? Cause you turning up. I've been told y'all, don't play with me. LeBron haters, y'all can suck my dick. Cause I've been told y'all he was getting his fourth ring. Y'all wanna talk and run y'all mouth, shut the fuck up. Because look, now look, what?
Every year for the finals, but of course couldn't be in the bubble this year. But I know he's watching at home. And I have a feeling that this finals MVP is going to have a trophy named after him one day. The finals MVP is LeBron James.
Excuse me, you in his business.
Buddy gon' get that, send shots, make him get back. On that chit chat, riff rap, my niggas ain't into that. Nigga be talking hot, but he ain't on shit. I got like 50 rounds up in this clip. If I go to jail, nigga, I plead the fifth. Cause mommy still gon' love a kid, niggas tryna lock me up and give me a bit. I'm like, nigga, fuck the pigs. The judge like, why you acting like a dick? I said I'm moving like I'm Steven Vick. My lawyer like, puppy, why you bracing? I said I pop a perk and feel amazing.
Like this in a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit in the back of the paddy wagon, cuffs locked on wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said.